babaero ang lolo ko. Okay? Babaero din yung tatay ko. Babaero din yung kapatid ng lolo ko. And who are these people? These are lawyers and doctors. So sabi ko, teka muna. At a very, very young age, sabi ko, ano mangyayari sa akin? So parang I've seen the drama ng mga away-away ng family because of babaero sila. Anyway, so sabi ko, ah, babaero, doktor equals babaero, uh, lawyer equals babaero. Now, early on, I was brought to Don Bosco for my education. And a few months later, there's a technology exhibit in Don Bosco every January. And I saw a big robot, some sparks flying. So sabi ko, technology, mukhang exciting. Hindi babaero connected. Well, in my young mind. So sabi ko, I want to be an electrical engineer.